Wait, did you know that right now, as you're watching this video, there are 100 trillion bacteria living inside your gut? And here's the crazy part. They're literally controlling how you feel, what you think, and even your mood. I know that sounds insane, but what I'm about to show you will completely change how you understand your body. Because your gut isn't just about digestion. Your gut is basically a second brain, and it might be the reason why you're anxious, depressed, or can't focus. Stick with me, because this is about to get wild. Here's what happened to me. 3 years ago, I was a mess. I had constant anxiety. I couldn't focus at work. I was depressed. I went to therapists, took medication, tried everything. Nothing worked. Then one day, a doctor told me something that changed my life. Your gut is sick. That's why your brain is sick. I thought he was crazy, but I decided to try it anyway. I changed my diet, took probiotics, and fixed my gut health. And within 30 days, something incredible happened. My anxiety disappeared. My focus came back. My mood improved, my depression lifted, and that's when I realized I wasn't mentally broken. My gut was broken. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how your gut controls your brain, why this is happening to you, and most importantly, what you can do about it starting today. But before I show you the science behind this, I need you to do me a favor. If you're learning something new today, hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm uploading videos like this every single week, and you don't want to miss them. Okay, let's dive in. All right, so here's the thing. Your brain and your gut are connected by something called the vagus nerve. Think of it like a superhighway between your head and your stomach. This nerve sends signals back and forth, constantly communicating. Your brain talks to your gut. Your gut talks to your brain. It's a two-way conversation happening 24/7. But here's where it gets interesting. Your gut doesn't just send signals about digestion. Your gut bacteria, these 100 trillion microorganisms living inside you, they produce chemicals that directly affect your brain. These chemicals are called neurotransmitters, and they control your mood, your anxiety, your focus, your sleep, everything. In fact, about 90% of your serotonin, the happy chemical, is produced in your gut, not your brain. Not in your brain, in your gut. So when people say it's all in your head, they're actually wrong. It's in your gut. So what happens when your gut is sick? When your gut bacteria are out of balance? This is called dysbiosis, and it's an epidemic right now. When your gut is sick, it sends the wrong signals to your brain. It produces the wrong chemicals, and your brain starts malfunctioning. Here's what happens. First, you get anxiety. Your gut produces less serotonin, so your brain doesn't have enough of the happy chemical. You feel anxious for no reason. Second, you get depression. Same thing. Not enough serotonin, not enough dopamine. You feel sad, unmotivated, empty. Third, you can't focus. Your gut produces GABA, which is the calm chemical. When your gut is sick, you don't produce enough GABA, so your brain is constantly in fight or flight mode. You can't concentrate. Fourth, you can't sleep. Your gut bacteria regulate melatonin, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. Sick gut equals bad sleep. Fifth, you have brain fog. You feel confused, forgetful, like you're walking through life in a daze. And here's the kicker. Most people think these are mental health problems. They go to therapists. They take antidepressants. But the real problem is their gut. I'm not saying mental health isn't real. I'm saying that for many people, fixing their gut fixes their brain. So why is your gut sick? What's destroying your gut bacteria? There are 5 main culprits. Number 1, processed food. This is the biggest one. Processed food has no fiber, no nutrients, no probiotics. It's basically poison for your gut bacteria. Your good bacteria die, and bad bacteria take over. Number 2, sugar. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria. It's like giving candy to the enemy. The bad bacteria multiply, the good bacteria die, and your gut becomes a war zone. Number 3, antibiotics. I know antibiotics save lives, but they also kill all your gut bacteria, the good ones and the bad ones. If you take antibiotics, you need to rebuild your gut. Number 4, stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol destroys your gut lining and kills your good bacteria. Stress literally makes your gut sick. Number 5, lack of sleep. When you don't sleep, your gut bacteria get confused. Your circadian rhythm is disrupted. Your gut microbiome falls apart. So if you're eating processed food, eating sugar, taking antibiotics, stressed all the time, and not sleeping, your gut is destroyed, and your brain is suffering because of it. Okay, So here's the good news. You can fix this. I fixed it. Millions of people have fixed it, and you can too. Here's the protocol. Step 1. Remove the bad stuff. Week 1 to 2, stop eating processed food. I know that's hard, but you need to do this. For at least 30 days, eat only whole foods. Meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, that's it. Stop eating sugar. This is critical. Sugar is feeding the bad bacteria. You need to starve them out. If you're taking unnecessary antibiotics, stop. Only take them if you absolutely need them. Step 2. Add the good stuff. Week 1 onwards, start eating fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, miso. These have natural probiotics. They feed your good bacteria. Eat fiber. Lots of fiber. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains. Fiber is food for your good bacteria. Without fiber, they starve. Take a probiotic supplement. This is optional, but it helps. Look for one with at least 10 billion CFU and multiple strains. Step 3. Heal your gut lining. Week 1 onwards. Your gut lining is probably damaged. You need to heal it. Take L-glutamine. This is an amino acid that repairs the gut lining. Drink bone broth. Bone broth has collagen and amino acids that heal the gut. Take slippery elm. This is an herb that coats and soothes your gut lining. Step 4. Reduce stress ongoing. This is huge. Stress destroys your gut. You need to meditate, exercise, sleep, do whatever it takes to reduce stress. Even 10 minutes of meditation a day can dramatically improve your gut health. Step 5. Sleep 8 hours ongoing. Your gut bacteria have a circadian rhythm. They need consistent sleep. Go to bed at the same time every night. Sleep 8 hours. Your gut will thank you. Step 6. Be patient 30 to 90 days. This doesn't happen overnight. It takes 30 to 90 days to rebuild your gut microbiome. But if you stick with it, the results are incredible. I did this for 30 days and my anxiety disappeared. By day 60, my brain fog was gone. By day 90, I felt like a new person. And the best part? These changes stick. Once your gut is healthy, it stays healthy. You don't have to do this forever. You just have to do it long enough to reset your system. I'm not the only one. Thousands of people have done this and gotten incredible results. Sarah from California said, I was on antidepressants for 5 years. I fixed my gut, and I was able to come off my medication. I feel better than I ever have. James from Texas said, I had severe anxiety. I couldn't leave my house. I fixed my gut, and within 30 days, my anxiety was gone. I can go out now. I can be normal again. Maria from New York said, I had brain fog so bad I could barely function at work. I fixed my gut, and my focus came back. I got a promotion. My life changed. These aren't miracle stories. These are real people who fixed the root cause instead of treating the symptoms. And you can do this too. You don't need medication. You don't need therapy. You just need to fix your gut. Now, if you're skeptical, I get it. This sounds too good to be true. But this isn't new age nonsense. This is real science. In 2016, Stanford University did a study on the gut-brain connection. They found that people with anxiety and depression had significantly different gut bacteria compared to healthy people. In 2019, researchers at UCLA found that probiotics directly affected brain activity in areas related to emotion and cognition. In 2021, the American Psychological Association published research showing that gut health is directly linked to mental health. This is cutting-edge science, and it's changing how we understand mental health. Your doctor might not tell you this. Your therapist might not tell you this, but the science is clear. Your gut controls your brain. All right, here's what I want you to do starting today. Today, remove processed food from your kitchen. Throw it away or donate it. Tomorrow, go to the grocery store and buy fermented foods, vegetables, and whole foods. This week, start taking a probiotic supplement. This week, start meditating 10 minutes a day. This week, go to bed 30 minutes earlier. In 30 days, you'll notice a difference. Your anxiety will decrease. Your focus will improve. Your mood will lift. In 90 days, you'll be a different person. You'll wonder why nobody told you this sooner. This is not complicated. This is not expensive. This is just taking care of your gut so your brain can work properly. Now, if you want to go deeper into this, I have a recommendation for you. There's an amazing book called 101 Steps to Reverse Aging by Olivia Westwood. It's available on Amazon right now. This book covers everything, not just gut health, but how to look younger, feel stronger, and live longer. It has 101 actionable steps that you can implement immediately. It's like having a personal health coach in your pocket. If you're serious about your health, if you want to reverse aging, if you want to feel amazing, this book is for you. Get it on Amazon. The link is in the description. And while you're at it, if this video helped you, please like it. Comment below and tell me, what's your biggest health struggle? Is it anxiety, brain fog, depression? Let me know in the comments. I read every single comment, and I might make a video just for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now. I'm uploading videos like this every week, and you don't want to miss them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your gut controls your brain. Fix your gut, and you fix your life. You've got this. Let's go.